Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine. I will list all my socials down in the description box. Now, I know you're going to see that I have obviously the same shirt that I have in the previous video. It's not that I'm just not changing. I just figure since I'm on a roll, I record another video. I came up with this idea of giving you guys just a very small list of my favorite things that I cannot live without. It's going to be random, like a bunch of random different things, and some of these things may work for you and may not, depending on what they are, obviously. But if they do work for you, you're going to thank me and love me for life. So before we get along with this video, I want to make sure that you are subscribed, and if you aren't, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. We post a bunch of different content on this channel. If you enjoy videos like this of recommendations, just give this video a little heart, a little like. It just lets me know what you guys want to see in the future. So we're gonna roll right along with it. So the first thing, this is a phone holder. Now this I purchased in Target, actually for like $1. If you guys are not new to Target, you know right when you come in, there's like a little section, like a little clearance section. This is actually where I purchased it. And what it does is, okay, this is your charger, right? Let's make believe the outlet is here and you're charging your phone. Now, I don't know if this happens to you. I'm sure it does, but most of the time when we charge our phone, we have our phone on the floor, especially if we're in someone's house. Just for sanitary reasons, I think that's kind of gross. So this just allows your phone not to be on the floor. So if your charger's in an outlet, you just basically put this in between the outlet and your charger, and you have it like that. And your phone sits right on top of here, so it doesn't have to be sitting on the floor. This I'm obsessed with. It folds like this, so it literally takes up no space. And if you're traveling, this is perfect. You can put this in your backpack or your luggage, whatever, your carry-on. And if you're going to hotels, you can just bring this with you and you don't have to charge your phone and put it on the floor. Now, the next item, if you're a thick girl like me and you get chafing during the summer in your inner thighs and it's like hard for you to wear skirts and super annoying, I definitely recommend these. Now, these are jockey shorts. Now, this brand in particular, I love and I'm obsessed with. I've tried so many undergarments that just happen to like roll up and it annoys me. This one has never rolled up on me. I've worn this under skirts, under sundresses, and it does not roll up. The good thing about this too is you can hike it up a little bit more for shorter skirts and it literally stays there and doesn't move. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it looks like. So these are called Jockey Skimmies and they're smoothing slip shorts. And you see that they come in, it says no chafing, which is perfect. And they come in sizes small to 3XL. That's what they look like. Now they come in a variety of colors. I have these in black and in nude. Those are the two colors that I prefer, especially if I'm wearing like a white sundress or whatever. Nude is the color preference. You don't want to wear white only because I feel like it's going to stand out more. Nude blends in with your complexion, and black I use for the darker dresses that I put on. So these shorts are a must-have in my collection. I recommend 1000%, especially if you're a thick girl like me and you have trouble finding undershorts or undergarments that roll up. This one will not roll up on you. So definitely check these out. I have countless Jockey outlets around my area, so you can go to Jockey outlet. If not, you can go online and they sell them online. Most of the time, Jockey on their website, they have discounts. So sign up. Usually like you have to sign in with an email and they'll send you a discount on your email. These I would definitely 1000% recommend. The next thing, these are deodorants. They're called Hey Humans. This brand is again from Target. The reason why I love this deodorant is for a few reasons. This is naturally derived deodorants. They're aluminum free, propylene glycol free, paraben free, with essentials oils, and dermatologist tested. They're also all-day odor protection, which is really awesome. And the component is recyclable. They have different ones, like this one is apple matcha, which is actually my top favorite. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. So the apple matcha is my favorite. This is what it looks like in the component. and it's literally one of like the push-up deodorants. Because this is recyclable, you know, that's why it looks so minimalistic, but it is all day odor protection. I can tell you that firsthand. My husband uses this, and so definitely female and male recommended. And this definitely keeps the odor at bay. So these are a definite recommend. You can find these in your local Target. Next, again, it's another thing from Target. Now, if you know me or if you don't know me, I'm obsessed with Target. None of this is sponsored, by the way. It's just literally things that I am obsessed with. But this is from Target as well. This is the Gillette Venus shaver. This is specifically for pubic hair and skin. I don't know why it says and skin. Like, where else would you use it? But I love this for the pubic area region. This to me, and this is no exaggeration, this to me is the step down from getting a wax. You know, with a lot of shavers, especially when you're shaving your pubic region, you can get a lot of razor bumps and just ingrowns. This one, you literally get none or very minimal depending on how often you shave. I would recommend just letting your pubic hair grow completely and then shave with this, because if you try it when you're like newly shaved, it's gonna just cause irritation. But I would just let it grow and then shave. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It comes with a refill, and this is what the shaver looks like. I'm obsessed with this. My husband has tried it. Obviously not mine, but he has his own and he's obsessed with it. This is actually supposed to be for women, I'm assuming, because of the packaging, but my husband has tried it and he loves it. So he has more than one, and he uses one for his head and one for his body. So we're both obsessed with the shaver. You should definitely try it. Check it out in your local Target. This is what the box looks like. Now this I would definitely recommend using with the 2-in-1 cleanser shave gel. This you will actually see when you go to Target, you will see this most of the time next to this. So they're not hard to miss. This, I just like using this along with the actual shaver. I just feel like it performs better than using some other different shaving gel. So these two items are a must-have. Next, super random. I told you guys it's gonna be like random things that don't necessarily go with one another, but these are items that I'm just obsessed with. Now, this is the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Hold. I like this one in the yellow bottle. If you're someone like me who has curly hair or hard to tame, I'm obsessed with this gel because it literally lays down your hairs. Most of the time, other gels that claim to be extra hold and they have not worked for me. This literally is the only gel that I use whenever I'm pulling my hair back. So you guys have seen me with my hair pulled back most of the time or in a bun. I am definitely using this. This is the only thing that I use whenever I'm pulling my hair back. I am obsessed with this gel. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It smells good too. So it's clear, obviously. The good thing about this is I don't get dandruff when I use this. It doesn't make your hair super, super hard, which I find with a lot of holding gels, they just make your hair super stiff. I don't like my hair to look super stiff. This literally lays your hair down flat, doesn't give you dandruff, so this I would definitely recommend. Following that, I know you guys are gonna make fun of me, but I have a shoehorn. This is my shoehorn. It's so big. I know you guys are laughing. I don't care. I'm obsessed with the shoehorn. I got this from Ikea and it was super cheap. I think it was literally $10. And the reason why I like the metal shoehorns as opposed to the plastic ones, because the plastic ones will literally bend when you're trying to put your shoe in. Now, a lot of people are asking, what do you need a shoehorn for? Like, it's not like you're 90 years old. For a person like me who has long nails, I don't like digging my nail into my shoe to put my shoe on, especially if it's like a Adidas NMD, like one of those like sock fitting kind of shoes. This shoehorn is a must have, especially for someone who has long nails like I do, or that doesn't just like bending down, because that's another thing. Because it's so long, you can literally stand up and put your shoe on, so you don't have to like be bending down to struggle and shove your foot in your sneaker. I will list everything down below along with the pricing, but this is from Ikea. They had different colors, but I got the black one. Make sure you get the metal one, because the metal one is just better in terms of it not bending when you're trying to put your shoe on. Super annoying and long, but I just leave this in my walk-in closet and I'm obsessed with it. The next item, super random again. This is a credit card pull-out thingy. I don't know what it's called. But I actually, now how I found out about this was, I don't know if you guys follow the Shade Room on Instagram. So I follow them and they did mention this. I think this brand is from Swaggy Tags. It's called Swaggy Tags or something like that. I will list it down below to make sure. But for people with long nails, again, like me, whenever I am trying to pump gas, it's really hard for me to get my credit card out of the little compartment in the gas station because it's so narrow. This definitely helps you out. So I literally have it on my keys. Whenever I'm going to get gas, it has a clip here and you just clip it onto your credit card and pull it out. It's so easy. This is a definite must-have. It's hard being a bad bitch with long nails. But if you have long nails like me, this is a lifesaver when you're getting gas or even for ATM, because some of the ATMs as well, they have like small little things that you can't get your fingers in to pull your card out. This is perfect. So definitely recommend. And my last item is a lint remover. Now this I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. This is not like your random cheap lint remover rolls. This one, it has an on button and it gets the lint out and it collects the lint in here. The reason why I like this, again, because if you're a thick girl like me, whenever you wear sweatpants, you tend to get lint around the areas in your inner thigh. I will show you guys just an example. So these are a pair of sweatpants. In this area, you get little lint balls. So this takes it out 1, 2, 3. So this I use for my sweatpants, or if you have like white socks that has, or any kind of socks that has lint on them, you can use it for that as well. I'm obsessed with this. I travel with this. I take this with me everywhere. I just hate having little lint balls on my sweatpants. Like, it's so annoying. So this is a definite must-have. So that wraps up my video, guys. I wanted to just show you guys just random things that I'm currently obsessed with. Obviously, this is not everything I'm obsessed with. So if you want to see like a part 2, definitely let me know down below. I have cleaning products that I'm obsessed with, or cleaning items, so like for stuff around the house. So if you're interested in that, let me know down below, because I love recommending items that just make my life easier to people and having them enjoy it as well. So that wraps up this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Short and sweet, just some recommendations for you guys to make your life a little easier. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.